Welcome to my Canine Crooner channel. This is the video requested by Rosie. Enjoy the video.
Hey guys, it's me Rosie, and I have good news. Guess what? I won't stop making videos at all. I just got another Vyond account thanks to my friend Master Cool Cat. I couldn't thank him enough. So forget what I said in the previous video, and I am making another episode. Okay, that's it for today. Like, comment, subscribe and turn on my post notifications to get notified every time I upload a video. Bye.
Go to my YouTube channel to watch this video. Thank you. Subscribe to my Canine Crooner channel.